Learn Turkish pronoun easily. Pronoun in Turkish is zamir. Let's start it. Repeat after me. I and me defined in one word. Ben, ben, ben. Mine and my also defined in one word. Benim, benim, benim. To me is bana, bana, bana. You for singular is sen, sen, sen. Yours and your for singular is senin, senin, senin. To you for singular is sana, sana, sana. As you know, Turkish does not discriminate based on gender. The words he, she, and it are defined in one word. O, o, o. Her, his, and its is onun, onun, onun. We in Turkish is biz, biz, biz. Our is bizim, bizim, bizim. To us is bize, bize, bize. You for plural is siz, siz, siz. Yours and your for plural is sizin, sizin, sizin. To you for plural is size, size, size. They is onlar, onlar. Onlar. Their is onların. 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 To them is onlara. 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 That is all for today. If you want example sentences with those words, you can write to me.